Hi, my name is Vijay. Today is day 3 session. Today I am discussing about CP command and the move MV command. Let us discuss about CP command. Before starting CP command, let me remove the directories and files. Password. Yeah, okay. By removing file, we can using command rm. Okay, and rm -rf directory name because directory for having data. So that's why I'm forcefully removing the directory. And now I'm exiting from directory file. So listing a file. Here also the directories rf file and rm. Okay. Now I'm creating the one text file by using cat command. Cat greater than space file dot txt. Now I'm entering the data into the file. I'm saving the file. Then list the file ls hyphen ld. It is showing the file permission from file paths like file permissions for root user, global root user, local user, any user. That means first that means it indicates hyphen indicates the normal file, and r read write hyphen means root user having the permission read write permissions, and group users, group level users only read permissions, and others having only read permissions. Okay, then it indicates the root, uh, root user information, root user host name, root user home directory. Where it is the root size of the file, and it is created date and file name. Okay, now I'm using cp command to copy the file to another information to another file. Let us do by using cp command file name. This is original file. Now I'm creating duplicate file do dot txt is the file. Yeah, it is the duplicate file was created. Let us check the number of duplicate file and original file. Let us see a duplicate file of the inode number and original file of the original file inode number both are same. Let us check the data in duplicate file. Okay, by the cat command file do.txt. Let us data in original file cat file.txt. See what data I mentioned in file 1 is exactly copied to the duplicate file. This is for cp command using in file copying the file, whereas in directory let us create one directory. Before create directory, let me remove the file. Okay. Now I'm creating the directory. Yeah. Okay, directory one was created. Now enter into the directory. Here I'm creating a file. txt. Sorry, cat space greater than txt. Now entering the data. Saving the data. ls okay, control L, clear the screen. Now this is the directory I have created. In this directory I have created one file, and that file I have created data. Now by using cp -r directory name is I am creating the first directory. Yeah, it is created. See, directory 2 and directory 1. Directory 1 is original file. Now I am using a cp space -r directory 1 to copy the directory 1 data into the directory 2. Let us see what is in directory 2 here, and what file having the data. Yeah, this is copied directory, and this is copied file from original. Okay, let us check what is the data in the original directory. cd dir1, sorry, this is original directory. ls okay, cat, check that this is directory 1 is original directory, and file.txt is the file in original directory, and this is the directory 2. By using cp-r by copying the directory 1 information to directory 2. I have entered in the directory 2. I have checked the file. It is there, file.txt. What the data in file.txt is? Hi, how are you? That means if you are if you copy the directory information from original directory to another directory by using command cp-r, another means duplicate cp-r original directory name dir1, and what directory do you want to create means I have created dir2 as a duplicate directory. So that's why by using I am using the command cp-r dir1 and dir2. dir is original, dir2 is new duplicate directory. This is the command using directory level. In previous, we are using the cp command in file level. And coming to the move command, let us clear the screen. Yes. Now I'm deleting the all directory ddr2. Sorry, rf dir2. Okay. Okay. Coming to the move command. Move command, by using move command we can create new file also. We can rename it by using move command. Suppose I'm having a dir1 command. I want to create another directory by using dir. I want to add data in dir2. Okay, hyphen space mv.txt. I have created file. Or I have save the data. Sorry, this is similar to previous directory. Let me change the. Okay, let us see one data in movie text file .txt. That means the movie.txt is a file. I have entered the data in movie.mv.txt. Now I'm putting out, I'm pasting the file directories. Let us see the data in this directory one. Sorry. Let's cat. Hi, how are you? India. This is over in directory one. This is the data in directory one. Okay, let us clear the screen. It's out from it is coming out from the directory one by using cd command. Ls. Okay, that means I have created two directories with two different information with two different files. Now I am moving the dir1 information to dir2 by using move command. Dir1 to dir2. Let us see what is happening in the dir2. See, you have seen the directory 1 is moved to the directory 2 along with the file. Yeah, here see, this is one scenario. And if you are not created any directory, a duplicate directory, okay, I'm explaining another scenario. Delete the file directory. Okay, ls there is no file. Now I'm creating directory. I'm creating one. This is one scenario. Sorry, sorry. There's two directories created. Okay, now I'm creating directory one. dir mkdir one directory created. I'm adding the file into the directory. Entered into. I'm creating file by using cat command. File mb.txt. How are you? Control D. ls cd. I'm exiting the file. Okay. ls. Okay. By now I'm using move command to directory. I have not. I'm having only one directory. I am filing using the move command. Directory one. Here I am not created. Just I have mentioned it. Let us see. You have seen that previously a directory name is directory one. Directory two is after firing the command mv directory one and directory two. In this scenario, move command change the directory name directory one to directory two. That's why because directory two is not created in past. I'm having the only directory one before I fire the command mvdir1 mvdir1 space dir2. So that's why the name of the directory is overwrite. This is about the move command. That means you already existing directories. We can move the directory information to, if you are creating two directories. Example, I'm saying you are having two directories. If you want to move the one directory information to the another directory, that means you can move the mv, use command mv and directory name as source to destination directories. So that's why the source directory information is copied to the destination directory by using, if you are created two directories in past. If you have only one directory, by using move command, we can change move command can change the directory name information, old information to present name, old name to present name. Move command can change the directory name also. And uh, in cp command, if you are copy the file to new file, copy the data from one file to new file or one directory to the new directory, the inode numbers are same. Here let us check the inode numbers. ls hyphen I ls. Okay. Sorry, I have remove it. Okay, clear. ls r x c ls r hyphen r ls. Okay. Now I am creating directory. Okay. I am entering the directory one. Creating a file. It is created. I save the data. Exited. Yes. I'm creating another directory. ls creating file. Saving the data. Exit the file directory. Investing that there are two directories with two files. Hyphen I means it indicates the inode numbers are different. Directory 1 and directory 2. Okay. ls hyphen la. Here, so hyphen I. Okay. cd tier1 ls hyphen I. The inode number of directory, inode number of file in directory 1 is 18803.985. Now I am moving to the directory 2. Ready. ls ls hyphen I. The inode number is also different. That means this is in file inode number in directory one. This is the file inode number in directory two. Both are different. And now I am using move command. Dir one, two, dir two. Less. I'm seeing only dir two only. I'm checking the directory. Okay. Okay. Sorry. ls hyphen I is a directory inode number of directory two. I'm entering to the directory one. Listing a file. Okay. ls hyphen I file. Yeah. Directory in directory two. I have created file one. That inode number is different. And after move command, a directory one is moved to the directory two with along with the file in directory one. I have opened the directory file in the directory one. I have checked the inode number of file in directory one. The both are different. That means by using command move command we cannot change any inode numbers of the files and directories. And this is the base session.